Hello, it's me. I've got some nice little packs to open today, so you're welcome to watch me do so. Um, this pack is The Glory of Team Rocket, Korean, this is the first time opening this one, so let's see what we get. Got a little Smoliv, little Muck, I think it's a Falafel, little Porygon, Porygon 2, little Houndoom or Houndour, and on to the next pack. Not very many in these packs. And I'm cutting them open with scissors, which isn't usually what I do, but they're thicker packs and you have to rip them a certain way, and I don't have the knack yet. So let's just cut them open. What have we got? Oh, I don't even know what that is. Another Porygon 2. Nice little Arbok. Oh, a little Junction, or sort of some roads. And a little Rotom. And now this is the third and final pack. I'm not even sure what the headers are for this pack, or this set, but we'll find out, hopefully. I forget that thing's name. Mankey. We've got this guy, little Meowth, and we've got a little Glimmer down the side there, so that'll be nice to see what comes next. Ooh, and then we've got a little hollow Spidops. Very nice. So no mad hitters in that pack, but sure, it's nice to open a wee pack. Don't forget to drop us a wee like and subscribe.